connection. Poor connection. Pause due to poor connection. Oh, that's... Did you guys like my Bohemian Rhapsody cover? Do you like it? Let me know down below. You want to see my tits? You decided about the dog? No, I didn't decide about the dog. I was very, very hammered last night, and I don't remember that live. And the only way that I know that it happened is because my friend told me he walked in the room and I was talking about dogs. Had he not mentioned, then you would have been the one to remind me that is what happened. That's what took place last night. Mama, I've killed a man, put a bullet in his head, pulled the trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life has just begun, and now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, ooh. That's such a fun song to sing just like that, though. Didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not... Hold on. If I'm not back by this time... I don't know the lyrics. Time tomorrow. Carry on. 'Cause nothing really matters. Too late. My time has come. Send shivers down my spine. Body's aching all the time. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. I'm gonna leave you all behind and face the truth. Mama, ooh, I don't wanna die. I fucking know it. I know it. Don't tell me. I don't wanna die. Sometimes I wish I'd never been born at all. I fucking know it. I know the song. It's not If I'm Not Back, motherfucker. It's the next line. Hold on. Sometimes I wish I'd never been born at all. Carry on. As nothing really matters. What is it? Fucking... Hold on. No, it's not that yet. That's too soon. I see a little silhouette of a man. It's not that yet. We're not there. Fucking... I swear to God I know this song, dude. You just gotta give me time. I see are we there? Are we at that point? I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, can you do the fandango? Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening. Eek. Galileo! Oh, no, we gotta do this. Galileo! Galileo, 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 Figaro, yo. What is it? I don't know, man. I don't know this part. And fuck you if you think I'm lame for that. But you gotta know that part. Yeah, there's a vibrator in the background. And then it's what? No, nothing really matters. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me. Bling, 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 clink, clink. Bling, 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 clink, 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 clink. Bling, clink, 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 clink. I don't know, dude. I know the fucking chords, though. I think that's more than enough. You know? I know the lyrics and the chords. You know, with the piano. I'm just killing it at the moment. What are you guys doing? What's another song that I should do? 18 Cowboys. 18 Cowboys at Ram Ranch. I should learn Ram Ranch. Hold on. What's the lyrics to Ram Ranch? "18 naked cowboys at Ram Ranch." Oh, I'm on 1%. Hold on one sec. Hey, you know what type of 1% I'm trying to be? I'm trying to be the 1% that doesn't have enough, only has 1% battery life on her laptop. That's the 1% I'm trying to be. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I mean? That's the 1% I'm trying to be. You know what I'm saying? Fuck all that other noise. Fuck all that other fucking rah-rah. Why are people saying CEO now lately? Who started CEO? 18 naked cowboys at Ram Ranch. I can sing super bass. I'll sing it right now. Hold on. Fuck, I think it just died. Did this just die? Or does that outlet not work? Don't say this. Don't say this. Don't say this. Yay, we're back. Back in full effect. Alright, let me see. 18 naked cowboys at Ram Ranch. Dude, I need to do like some sort of deal. Like if I sing Ram Ranch on here, which would be a massive gift, you guys got to give me something. Or would I be making up for not showing my bobbies? I didn't want to say bombs. My boob bombs. Would I be making up for that if I sang Ram Ranch? I should really sing it. Hold on. Ram Ranch. Lyrics. I'll do an acapella of it. 18 naked cowboys in the showers at Ram Ranch. Big, hard, throbbing cocks wanting to be sucked. 18 naked cowboys wanting to be fucked. cowboys in the showers at Ram Ranch on their knees wanting to suck cowboy cocks. Ram Ranch really rocks. Hot, hard, buff cowboys, their cocks throbbing hard. 18 more wild cowboys in the barn, big bulging... It's going too fast, the lyrics. It's on the screen. It's like on the video, so I can't control them. Orgy in the showers at Ram Ranch. Hold on one sec. Hold on. You guys gotta hear this song, though. It's very good. It's so quiet. Why is it so quiet?
18 naked cowboys in the showers at Ram Ranch. Big herd throbbing cocks wanting to be sucked. 18 naked cowboys wanted to be fucked. Cowboys in the showers at Ram Ranch on their knees wanting to suck cowboy cocks. Ram Ranch really rocks. Hot, hard, buff cowboys, their cocks throbbing hard. 18